Narcissists are adept at manipulating others through a variety of lies and distortions. One of their common strategies is revising history to fit their narrative, often inflating their achievements while downplaying or denying past mistakes. This revisionist approach helps them maintain a facade of perfection and control over their victims. Narcissists also excel at exaggerating their accomplishments. They frequently boast about their achievements, seeking validation and admiration from others. However, these claims are often exaggerated or completely fabricated to feed their insatiable ego. Another manipulative tactic is their use of false displays of emotion. Narcissists may feign empathy or compassion, pretending to care about others' feelings. In reality, these emotions are calculated maneuvers to manipulate and control those around them. Genuine empathy comes from authentic care, not from deceptive manipulation. Compliments are another tool in the narcissist's arsenal. They shower others with praise to gain favor and control. However, these compliments are insincere and manipulative, intended to undermine confidence and maintain dominance over their victims. When confronted with wrongdoing, narcissists may offer hollow apologies. These apologies lack sincerity and genuine remorse. Instead of taking responsibility for their actions, they apologize superficially to avoid consequences and preserve their self-image of perfection. Narcissists often make false promises of change to manipulate others. They may pledge to improve their behavior or attitudes, but these promises are rarely genuine. Behind their facade of contrition lies a desire to maintain control and dominance over their relationships. Delusions of grandeur are also common among narcissists. They have an inflated sense of self-importance and often exaggerate their talents, achievements, or social status. These delusions mask deep-seated insecurities and a fragile ego that requires constant validation and admiration. Financial deception is another tactic used by narcissists. They may boast about their wealth or material possessions to elevate their status and gain admiration from others. However, these claims are often exaggerated or entirely false, designed to manipulate perceptions and maintain a facade of success. Lastly, narcissists may declare love insincerely as a means of gaining admiration and validation from their partners or peers. Their declarations of love are devoid of genuine emotion or connection, serving solely to fulfill their own needs for admiration and control. In conclusion, narcissists are skilled manipulators who use lies and deception to control their victims. It's essential to trust your instincts, recognize their manipulative tactics, and protect yourself from their deceitful behaviors. Remember, genuine relationships are built on honesty, empathy, and mutual respect, not on manipulation and falsehoods.